Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting Gemini Photos ready. Give it Photos permission and pick which albums to scan so it doesn't touch work or receipts. Make a quick backup to iCloud or an external drive. This protects you in case you remove something by mistake. Tap Scan Now and watch the app analyze duplicates, similar shots, screenshots, and blurred photos. Once done, review the initial summary to see counts and categories so you know where to focus next. Now you move into the detailed curation. Use Compare Mode to view grouped photos side by side and tap to keep the sharpest frame. Let Gemini suggest the ones to delete, but make sure you mark any favorites to protect them. The app respects your manual choices. If Gemini is flagging too many images, reduce sensitivity or change category filters. If it misses duplicates, raise sensitivity. Once done, skim each group quickly to confirm selections before finalizing. Finish by executing the cleanup. Tap Delete and let Gemini move chosen images to recently deleted so you can recover mistakes within 30 days. After deletion, double-check key albums to confirm nothing essential was removed, and empty recently deleted only when you're sure. If the app stalls or permissions change, force close and reopen Gemini, or re-enable Photos access in settings, then rescan. This typically fixes stuck scans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.